Ready to start to be pro trader? Today you will understand more clearly about this market and how to be trader. I will share you about my experience that I have been trading for many years. I started trading when I was high school until now. I have experience on trading crypto, forex market, gold trading. And today you will got many necessary things that help you to be pro trader. So at first, I will explain you about how to be pro trader. The pro trader or trader is just the person who make money from trading. If you want to be full-time trader, you must understand your how leaks on this market. This market is not too easy, but most people they come to this market and they want to make money a lot, right? They want to get money. They didn't want to lose any money. So this is the thing that makes most people will lose money. So I want to tell you that if you want to trade, you have to set your mind. Do not think about money at first time, but you have to focus on your preparation. You have to prepare yourself to be someone who good enough to make money from this market. First thing, let's set on your daily life. At morning is very important. Do not use any phone. Do not use internet. When you wake up, you have to close all your phone. Do not open MT5 or any application, Facebook, Instagram. You have to stop it and you just go outside. Do some meditation and go to running, exercise, do some exercise. Anything that can help your health more healthy. Because if you have a good health and you can trade, you can make money, your life will be perfect and you will not want to change anything from your daily life. And the next thing, you must prepare yourself before you start trading. After you do exercise, you come back to your room and you do some research. You have to check first which news is gonna happen or effects on your portfolio. If you not check anything and you trading and didn't have stop loss, didn't have take profit target, and the volatility is come, you will lose a lot from that things. So let's do some research before you start trading. And you have to check your market structure. Today, the market is trend or sideways. I will show you which website that I usually use to check market research. The first one, Forex Live. Forex Live is the website that I always use in every single day. So I will check from this website. This website will help you to check a news real time. For example, if you want to check this news, it will show you some analysis and technical analysis. Good thing for this website is it's always update real time. And another website that I usually use it is investing.com. Investing.com, I always use it to check the news in calendar. When you trading on gold or cryptocurrency, whatever, in every week or in every month, it will have the news that is effective to your position. For example, I trading on gold. I will focus some few news that I usually trading on it. The first one is non-farm payrolls, and the next one is PMI, Price Manufacturing Index, and the last one is ADP non-farm. You see that we have many number. For example, today we have PPI number at X30. So you have to focus on this period time. Because if you didn't check it, maybe you hold some position and you didn't set your stop loss or target profit. If the news is calm, it will affect to your portfolio. If you got profit, that is okay, right? But if you didn't got profit but you lost, you will lose a lot if you didn't check the news on calendar. So I suggest you to use it to check your calendar first before you start trading in every morning. And during afternoon, you have to do your journal trading. If you start trading at the morning, whatever you won or you lost, you have to check your trading performance first. If you continue trading, for example, if you lost at the morning and you still keep trading, and you still keep losing your money, that is not good for trading. Most people, they always do like that. If they lost, they want to take their money back, right? So they keep trying to trade in every single position. So that's why they lost a lot. And the thing that will help you to make your performance of your trading better than before is your journal trading and your performance level. After you check everything about your performance, your trading level. You have to do technical analysis again during afternoon. If you want to continue keep trading, you have to check it first. Do some analysis first before your next entry. The evening time is the time that you have to relax yourself. You have to go somewhere with your family or with your someone you love to relax yourself. Don't think about trading. And after you do that, before you sleep, if you have time, you can do another trading journal or check your trading performance for today. And you can make your trading plan for tomorrow. This is your daily routine. If you want to be a trader, do not forget to exercise, do not forget to do some meditation, and do not forget to do your trading plan. If you can do this like your discipline, it will help you a lot to be pro trader. The next thing is market cycle. Market cycle is really important. If you want to be pro trader, you have to check today the market is trend, sideways, or downtrend. The first one is if you want to know that the market is uptrend or not, you have to check first. You can see that the uptrend markets will do higher high. It will make a higher high or make a new high, right? And will not make a new low, so it higher low. And the next one is downtrend. Downtrend is opposite of uptrend, right? So you can see that the market cycle will do lower low. It will make a new low, continue make a new low, and it will not make a new high, right? So this one called lower high. And the last one, that is 70% of market cycle, that is sideways. Sideways will not make a new high or it will not make a lower low. For sideways, it's really important part if you want to start to be day trader. If you look at the chart or if you look at the market cycle, you can see that 70% of market cycle is sideways. Sideways will not make a new high, it will not make a new low, so it will call sideways. It's a pattern of the chart, is collection their power to goes up or it will continue go down. But before it continue go down, it will make sideways pattern first before they start to continue going down or going up. I will show you my personal technique that I check the market cycle by myself. First, you have to open TradingView and you can search EMA or moving average exponential right here. And you can set your input to be the same as me. For example, for me, I use moving average 24. That is the number that I always use when I check moving average. For example, if you look at the chart, you can see that the price is always moving average like here or up on the top of moving average. That is called uptrend. Yeah, you can see like this one. This one is called uptrend because the price is moving on top of moving average, right? But normally I want you to close all indicator before you start checking market cycle. For this one, if you look at this chart, you will see that it's maybe uptrend or it may be downtrend or it may be sideways, right? But this one, in my opinion, is like uptrend. But if you're not sure, you can open moving average exponential 24. You can see that the chart's always moving on top of moving average. That is called uptrend. And you close it. And you can do a backtest like this if you want to make sure that you understand it by yourself. For this one, this cycle. This cycle is moving like a sideways. But if you're not sure, you have to open moving average exponential like this. And you can see that the chart's always moving under and on the top of moving average exponential like this, on top and under, on top and under like this. This one is called sideways. That is the pattern that I always trade because I am day trader, right? You may have many position in every day. Okay, let's check another example. For this one, if you look at your eyes, you can see that it may be uptrend, right? Or it may be sideways up. If you want to check it, you just only do the same thing. Just open moving average exponential like this. You can see the same thing that the price always moving on top of moving average like this. So what is the necessary thing to do this? For me, if you're good at trade on sideways market, you have to check it every day or every time you start to entry position, right? For example, if you're good on trading on sideways market, but the market cycle on that time is trend, you will lose a lot on that time. But if you good on trading on 10, but in another hand, if you good at trade for a 10, but the cycle of market on that time is sideways, you will have more possibility to get lost. So if you understand this before your entry, it will help you to not losing your money. And for this example, this one look like downtrend, right? But if you're not sure, you did the same thing. You just open moving average exponential. You can see that the chart's always moving under moving average like this. This one we call downtrend. So if you understand uptrend, downtrend, sideways, that's it. You will be more professional than before. The next thing I want you to understand is cycle of doom. Cycle of doom is the thing that always happen for beginner. Why? Because if you are a beginner, you start trading, right? And you found some technique that you think that you will use this technique for your whole life. But in reality, when you use it, its performance is very good at the first time, right? You use it in the first month, and this technique will make you some profit, right? And you think that, okay, this is my main technique. But after you use it for a few months, you get lost. For example, you use it for 4 months, and the 5 months experience that you use that technique, you lost. And you start to thinking about how to change technique. Or this technique is not suited for you. And you have to find some technique that will make more money than this technique. And normally beginner will change technique immediately, right? And you found the next technique, and at first you make profit from this technique. Maybe someone tell you that this technique is very good, it's good for them, but maybe it will not good for you. And at first you make money from this technique, and after you use it for maybe 2 months, 4 months, you start thinking again about, should I change this technique? This cycle can happen to a beginner for more than 4 years. So I want to tell you, if you want to exit from this thing, you have to do this 4 steps first. At first, you have to believe in your technical and yourself. Do not believe in other one. You have to think that if this technique have someone use it and their success, you also can be the one who succeed on this technique also. So you have to think, you have to clear your mind first. And the next step, you have to do a back test and forward test. I suggest you to focus on your forward test. If you do some forward test and your total performance is positive or you got profit, that means this technique will make money for you. Not many, but it will make some profit for you. If you think that performance is not that bad, right? And the next step, before you do some forward test, you have to do all back tests. Do not do back test only 1 month. You have to do a back test more than 4 months, or I suggest you to do more than 1 year. Because if you do a back test, if you trade on the first month of the year and you trade at the middle month of the years, or you trade at the end of the years, the trading, if you use the same technique, your performance will not be the same. Because, for example, at the first month, maybe the market cycle is trend all month. And the end of the year, maybe the market cycle is sideways all month. So, performance will not be the same, right? So you have to check first. Do not judge your technique just only 1 single month. But you have to focus to back test on your technique that you want to use it for your whole life on more than 1 year. You have to check it first. At the next step, you have to use your real account. This is important, right? If you do a back test, you can use the demo account. It's okay, that is okay. But if you start to use your real account, it will help you a lot. Because if you use demo account, your feeling, your emotion, that's not real. But if you want you to focus on your portfolio and you keep it focused, you have to use your real account. Your feeling, your emotion will very, very real. That will help you to keep running more than you use demo account. Your feeling, your emotion. And the last thing, take your time. If you use it first month and it's not work, do not judge your technique is not work. But you have to continue, believe in yourself and believe in your technique. If you can continue do it more than 1 year, you can exit from the things that call cycle of doom. And the next thing is risk reward. Risk reward, maybe someone tell you that their techniques is very high relate, or their relate is very few relates but they got profit a lot. It's different, right? So I want you to understand about risk reward. Risk reward is referred to the ratio between the potential loss and the potential gain. Risk is the amount of money you're willing to lose. Rewards is the amount of money you expect to gain. So it's different, right? So risk rewards It's like have a many type of risk reward. 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 1.5 is depend on you, right? So I will give you some example about this. This example, win rate is the same. You know win rate, right? Win rate is the same. I will show you 3 times of loss and 3 times of win. What is the result? The first one, if you use risk reward 1 to 1. For example, you lost 5 and you get profit. Another time you take profit positive 5, and the next time you lost 5 again, 1-on-1, right? The total result, if you totally win 3 times and you totally lost 3 times, the result is 0. But this risk reward 1-on-1, I not suggest you to use it, because if you continue keep trading on 1-to-1 risk reward, you will really tight on your trading life, because you win, you get 5, and you lost, you get the same profit. So waste your time and use energy a lot if you trade on this, if you use risk reward 1-to-1. And the next one, 1-to-2. 1-to-2 is better than risk reward 1-to-1, right? So for example, if you lost 500 points, but when you get profit, you gain 1000 points. If you lost only one time, right? For example, if you lost one time and the next time you win, just only one time, you get profit like double time of your loss. That will make your portfolio grow than the first one. So risk reward 1-to-1 and risk reward 1-to-2. If you compare between these two types of risk reward, you will see that the second one will make your portfolio grow than the first one. So the last one is risk reward 1-to-3. I will tell you that some people that use risk reward is like high risk reward. For example, 1-to-3, 1-to-4 risk reward. Their rate will not too good, because maybe it's like the price is moved to hit stop loss in front of their open price, so they didn't gain any profit, right? So if I give you some example about risk reward 1-to-1, you can see that, for example, if you lost 3 times, you just only win 1 time, you will cover all of your loss. And the next time, if you continue win, your portfolio will get like higher performance better than the first and the second one that I show you. So if you understand about risk reward, you have to be someone to have integrity to yourself. If you just only take profit 1-to-1 in every single day, it will not make difference for your portfolio. But if you use risk reward more than 1-to-2 or 1-to-3, it will make your trading performance higher than before. I want you to focus on this one. So each example is the example that I want you to prepare yourself before you start entry in every day. And the next one is support resistance. Support resistance is a very simple step, right? Very simple but very important. For this part, I will give you some example how to make your trading plan. So as first, you have to draw the chart by support resistance like this. For this example is called breakout pattern. So if you understand about support resistance, for example, the price is difficult to break out this resistance, so they cannot pass. They going down again and it hit again. And the price is not break out this resistance again. Is going down like this. So if the price can break out resistance, you can see that this one is called breakout pattern. So after the price break out this zone resistance, you can see that the price always keep moving upward like this. Or normally I will take profit on the next level of the resistance, like here, maybe 1 to 2000 points after it break out. If you found that the price already break out like here, you can set your target and your stop loss. For example, if you are someone who start trading, I want you to set your stop loss. Do not miss it. You have to set it in every single time you trade. Because if you don't understand how risk the market is, you have to set it. Because if you not set it, you will lose a lot and you cannot control your loss. So you have to set it first. If you're trading on gold, I suggest you to set your stop loss greater than 500 points. So for this example, I will use risk reward 1-to-2. For example, if I lost, I will lose 500 points. But if I win, 1000 points. So my risk reward is 1-to-2, right? Okay. So you will see that the price keep moving up, almost hit 2000 points. This is not difficult, but normally if prices break out, normally it will go up 3000 or 4000 points. Is not too difficult for it. So after you already take profit, you have to do your stat record like this. You have to text like which pair do you trade and which technical you use, right? For example, I use DZ technique, that is my personal technique. And the next one, you open position sell or you open position buy. You won or you lost, your time frame that you use on this entry and your loss sign that you use on this entry, your stop loss, you take profit, or you just only hit in front of your open price. You have to set every step first. Write it about how much do you lose and how much do you gain. And the next one is very necessary thing. You have to write about the reason why you lost and why you win. For example, if you're someone who have explained that you always lost the same pattern, you have to write it why the reason you lost. Because if you lost at the same pattern at the first time, you keep write it, and the second one you always lost the same thing. The third time you lost the same pattern. If you write it in every time you lost, the fourth time or sixth time or seventh time, it will be more difficult for you to lose the same things. It will help you perform better than before. Let's do this. This one is help you a lot and for sure. And you max drawdown on your max profit. This is important for you to understand yourself. In trading, you have two friends. Your first one, yourself. You have to understand yourself, your emotion, who you are. You are the person who always keep trading when you lost, or you are the person who keep climb after you lost. You have to understand yourself. And the next friend that you have to know them is your technical. If you know about your technical, you will understand how to use it. For example, if I lost like a 500 point, my maximum drawdown, and after that the price is returned back to win. So I will understand that normally how much that I have to set my stop loss before it return back to win. So if you know, like for example, you set your stop loss, for example, 600, and normally your max drawdown is 300 point, 400 point. You will see like this. I will set my stop loss greater than max drawdown, in average max drawdown, right? For example, if I found that my maximum drawdown is 500, 400, 300, and 400 again, I will set my stop loss greater than this number. For example, I will set my stop loss 600 at least, right? And max profit, how does it important? I have my friend who's trading like he can hold position for a long time. Why you have to focus on your max profit? I have a friend who can hold position for a long time. He can hold like 6,000 point, 10,000 point, right? But they not take the profit. So you have to understand yourself by write your maximum profit. For example, if your maximum profit is 1,000, 2,000 on that time, and 3,000, but you didn't take profit, right? You have to understand that your technique is easily to go up greater than 1,000, right? So if you do like this, you have to take it some profit when the price already hit 1,000 point. If you didn't take any profit, maybe it will return back to loss. So let's do another example. If I want to make some resistance, I have to make the zone. At first, I saw this high, right? This high is 2,665. I have to keep like this, resistance. 2,665, like this. It's very difficult for the price to break out. So if the price already hit resistance, I will open position sale like this. And I set my stop loss. Normally I will set stop loss greater than 500, right? So, and my target profit is like 1 to 2 is 1,000. So if I already enter, I will take profit 1,000 point, and if I lost, I will lose 500 point. After I lost, I will stop trading for 2 or 3 hours because I want to clear my mind. If you continue trading after you lost, that is not normal for you. For example, if you won many times, you are a trader and you are like a trade trading, your win rate is very high, right? Sometimes if you lost, you keep lost like at the first time. You had to think first, this is not normal. But before you will continue trading, you have to stop first. Because if that is not normal and you keep continue trading, your portfolio will not grow as a normal also. So you have to do like this. So today is very necessary step if you want to start to be pro trader or full-time trader. You have to make your own daily routine. You have to do some market research first in every morning, right? So if you want me to send you a video that how did I start trading as a pro trader, you have to go to my Instagram below and you have to comment at my comment gold, and you have to check your direct message I will send to you. If you want to join our trading group, you just click at the link below and text me and I will explain you how to join my group. So good luck for you, and thank you to watch this video. If you want another idea or another technique that I use to trade, just only comment below which knowledge you want to understand for more start trading card. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.